Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Power and a working connection matter more than you think. First, replace or charge batteries and flip the mouse power switch. Wireless dongles must be seated fully. Once done, plug into a different USB port or a known good computer to isolate the issue. Make sure the receiver is not behind metal or blocked by other devices. This narrows hardware faults from software problems fast, so you avoid needless driver dives if the mouse itself is at fault. Next, you address software causes, drivers, and system settings. Open Device Manager and look for yellow warnings. Uninstall the mouse device, then reboot to force a clean reinstall. If you're on Windows, update USB controller drivers and the chipset driver to ensure stable power delivery. Once reinstalled, check pointer speed and double-click settings to confirm responsiveness. Also inspect power management options and disable USB selective. Suspend for that port, so the system won't silently power the device down during use. Finish by validating with cross-platform tests and deeper hardware resets. You should try the mouse on another computer or boot a live USB Linux session. If it works there, focus on your OS. If it still fails, test a different mouse on the same port to confirm host-side faults. For programmable or Bluetooth mice, perform a factory reset or firmware update per the manufacturer instructions. If nothing helps, replace the dongle or swap batteries. Surprisingly often, that single action restores normal function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.